Hey guys, it's Wolf here back with another video. In this video, we're going to check out Bittorrent news and price action. And before I jump in the video, I just quickly was searching like properties to buy, do you know what I'm saying? Like a second home or luxury spot where you can just go and chill. And there's this so Ambridge is K. So welcome to Belize. So it's in Belize, and Ambridge is K Iceland vacations. So it's like a this um like it's like a beach. Let me show you. It's look at here. It's a really it's but really it is, it's paradise. Okay, it's a paradise. And this looks very cool, just absolutely very cool. And I just want to quickly shout out this to you guys, because if you're looking for something new, like this type of, like, if you want to buy basically the property on this luxury like island, like that basic, like everybody's dream to have a home in the like Bahamas or something like that. I think that I want to do that, so I'm just checking these out. And there's this cool one that I want to show to you. By the way, comment down below if you know more any like these type of like spots. Okay, I would love to hear about them, because yeah. Anyway, so let's jump into the Bittorrent price. So it has increased 60%. And you know let's check out what's happening on Twitter. So BTT is above TRX, that the TRX is undervalued. So BTT 15 minutes simplify your trading to algorithmic solution. So this is, what is this? The best trade indicator. Some kind of software. Coins I'm holding for the future. There's BTT there. There's this, very cool. I have seen this many times. It's very cool. I'm going to hard that. I want to buy Win and BTT, but it's too late. It's dilemma of the day. I do believe. Well, in the yesterday's video, I like said that there at some point there has to be some kind of correction, but still no correction. So I'm getting even more scared right now. There has to be some kind of a correction. Now it has down like 1.3%. But overall, the markets are so bullish that I think that the momentum can keep going on. But I've been saying a couple of days that the markets have gone up for a while now. Okay, and I think that there at some point there has to be like again one of those good old 20% corrections when everything just dips, and we will see what's going to happen. But I do believe that at some point there has to be one of those. And okay, so Bitcoin has started taking a little sell off here. Very interested to see if we can still push, because look, it's like straight line, it's straight candle here. So it's just, if like think about it, if a lot of people bought here or here, the profits now are so good that somebody will take profits. Okay, somebody will take profits. I believe that 100%. And I think that it's fool's gain to think that it can go up forever without taking any kind of corrections. But who knows? It's cryptocurrency. This could still pump 5,000%. Like, who literally knows? But this starts to look very crazy to me. Okay, very crazy. So I wouldn't buy in the chart like this. Like, no way. Like, no way. Maybe after it deeps, and after that. But like I've said in many videos, I don't own any Bittorrent. I just think that it's a cool project. A very cool project. And I'm a fan of like Justin Sun and TRX, and I just love cryptocurrencies in general. Okay, so I do these videos because of that. So yeah, I'm not any kind of like expert. I just like document my journey, and I'm so glad to be able to do this. And I'm so honored to have you here watching this video. So thank you so much for supporting the channel, and I will keep making these videos. Currently, there is not, like, if you think about cryptocurrency in general, like, not many news come out right now. In bear market, there were news like basically left and right. But as soon as the bull run started, then the news kind of faded away. And of course, now the news are more like when the news has to be very big now for it to pump. For example, and the news has started getting bigger and bigger. For example, like a Theta network, it was like a patent, and after that, poof, it just exploded. So the news has to be very cool. But even though, look at here, even though that kind of craziness, the price has started to decline from $14 to $11.4. Okay, so still people are taking profits, and I think that we are very early still. I always have to remind me basically every single day that we are early, and it definitely helps me to think like a more straight way and not to stress so much, guys. We are in the bull market. Let's have some fun, but also it's not fun to lose money. I know that I have lost some money trading cryptocurrencies back in 2018 and 2019, and it wasn't fun. It wasn't fun. Let me tell you, it wasn't fun. So don't do that mistake. Try to, when you get money, try to preserve that money. I think that that's the hardest part on cryptocurrency, because it's easy to get gains, because basically everything is pumping, but it's harder to preserve your wealth. I believe that's a harder thing for people to do, because you know for example, when I started in 2017, I never took profits, like, you know what I'm saying, like I was just I never like even considered it. Okay, and I think that that was a huge mistake, because just because it was so Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett says that avoid extreme ideologies, uh, and I think that just 100% holding is extreme ideology, but also it works for some people. So I do believe that it's not so black and white. So that's why I think that it's very based on your basically risk tolerance and the volatility of the market. But yeah, anyway, that's just something that I wanted to talk about quickly here. But anyway, there's not many news happening here. Bittorrent released some news, but I don't, and there has been some like huge news, but yeah, it's just crazy. I do feel that the cryptocurrencies are still just we haven't even started yet, if that makes sense. But at the same time, I do believe that it's like we are at 50% done with this bull run, I do think. But the funny thing about that is that the 50% is not that much, but the momentum here where it's going, it's just going to go like crazy parabolic, like insane. So I do believe that a lot of people don't consider that, like, even though they believe like we are going to the moon, but I believe it's going to be like it's going to be so crazy that it's going to be very crazy. And yeah, that's what I believe. And yeah, so the point of this is that like when I create these videos, I want to share just some kind of like ideas that I have learned from successful people, and if I can help you to make even one better decision, like if I can help you even to make one good decision, and if I can help you to get one thing you can learn from these people that I have learned, I think that that's going to benefit you greatly, because if you learn a very good solid fundamental thing right now, that fundamental thing will serve you the rest of your life. Okay, and I think that people overlook that. A lot of people don't use money to invest in themselves. Like nobody, like basically like very uh, very few people take the time to buy courses and buy education and invest in yourself, because in the end I do believe cryptocurrencies are very good investment, and very good way to make crazy money and all that stuff. But uh, in the end, I think that the best investment is in yourself, because if you invest in yourself and you learn more, the more you learn, the more you earn. Okay, that's also Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger. So yeah, I do believe that investing in yourself is even better. Okay, because Bill Gates and Warren Buffett said that if they and Charlie Munger, if they could, they all agreed on this one. I remember that these guys are very successful, like very very successful, like it's like crazy successful. So um, they all agreed that if they could get one superpower, what they were asked question mark, what if they could get one superpower, what would it be? And they all agreed that they would be like, if the superpower would be that they picked would be they would be able to read faster. And that says something. Okay, I'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more videos, and I know that these are not like a basic cryptocurrency videos. I cover some things about cryptocurrency videos, but I what I believe is that I want to also share the messages that I have heard from very smart people and the basic fundamentals of like things that I have learned. So I think that that helps people even more than just hyping these coins or anything like that. Because if your investment strategy and your mindset is built on poor fundamentals, I think that that will hurt you in the long term. But if it's built on solid foundation, solid fundamentals, I think that that will great that will benefit you greatly. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next videos, guys. I appreciate supporting the channel. Thank you.